Let's talk about satellite technology. Satellite technology refers to the use of artificial satellites in orbit around the Earth to provide various services and applications, including communication, navigation, weather forecasting, remote sensing, scientific research, and more. Satellites are typically launched into space using rockets and placed into a specific orbit around the Earth, depending on their intended application. Satellite technology has revolutionized the way we communicate and access information, as it allows us to transmit and receive data over long distances with greater speed and efficiency than traditional communication methods. Satellites also enable us to gather data and images of the Earth from space, providing valuable insights into weather patterns, natural disasters, and environmental changes. The development of satellite technology has been driven by advances in areas such as materials, science, electronics, and rocketry, and has led to the creation of a global satellite industry that encompasses the design, manufacturing, and operation of satellites, as well as the development of satellite-based services and applications. Today, satellite technology is used in a wide range of industries and applications, including telecommunications, broadcasting, navigation, military surveillance, scientific research, and more. The technology has also enabled us to explore space and our solar system, with spacecraft such as the Hubble Space Telescope providing unprecedented views of the universe beyond our planet. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.